everyone, this is Ayesha and I'm with you on Kunto World. I am your coach. I'm also an athlete and I'm going to take you through some very simple movements that's going to leave you energized and happy. Remember, that is the first step to building your immunity. So without any further delay, we are going to start with a very simple warm-up. Just gently dropping your hands side to side. Drop the other hand on the floor. Just allow that big tummy of yours to open up side to side. Stretches, stretches, stretches. One more stretch. And from here, I want you to go down and touch your toe. If your hamstrings are tight like mine, it's alright. You can go down only as much as you want. But make sure you push your hip back, up, down, up, down, up, down. From here, just very gently. Hug your knee to your chest. Hug it up fully, as hard as you can hug it. Pull it up. Breathe out as you pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Okay? Get ready. We're going to have a good time. It's going to be fun. You're going to enjoy it. So have a sip of water and let's go. Okay, so our very first exercise is jumping jacks. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. This is a 30-second workout. So all you have to do is work for 30 seconds and then we're going to rest for 30 seconds. If you're feeling tired already, I want you to think of something that makes you happy. Because exercise is about being happy, it's about enjoying it. Okay, so keep going, keep going, keep going. We have another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. Good. Catch your breath, relax. Breathe, 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 breathe. This workout is very simple. I promise you, you're going to feel very good when you go out from it. Okay? We're going to start in another 10 seconds. Our next exercise is going to be high knees. Again, please do not lift your knees up. Just nice and easy. Relax. Have fun. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1 and lifting. You're happy. And you keep smiling. We are going for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Good. Slowly building up. Slowly building up. Breathe. Breathe from here. Now we're going to rest our heart. We're going to do some exercise. Okay, this is more cardio exercise. Now we're going to do some static exercise. So we have another 5 seconds. We're going into lunges. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Again, it's only 30 seconds of work. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go for 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And last one. Coming up. Rest. Shake your legs off, shake your arms off. No drinking water just yet. We will have a water break as soon as we finish this 7-minute workout. Okay, we have another 10 seconds to go. We're going to make this a little more fun now. We're going to imagine that we're going to touch the sky and then touch the toe. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Jump up, touch your left toe. Jump up, touch your right toe. Jump up, touch your left, and up and down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift up. 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got another 5 seconds to go. 4 seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Woo! Shake your legs off, shake your legs off. Feel like jello now. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay. Now, easy again. Bringing the heart rate down. We're going to run these arms as fast as they can. Imagine you're running in your school race. You want to come first. So do I. So we're going to run these arms as fast as we can. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. I want you to watch my arms as I'm going. Keeping it nice and strong, nice and strong. Remember Usain Bolt? He's the fastest man in the world. So if you haven't seen Usain Bolt yet, you have to watch him running. He runs with very, very fast arms. Boom, 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 boom. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoopsie. We have another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Shake your arms off. Jump onto the mat. Lie down on your back, making sure your legs are nice and comfortably placed just below your bum. Okay? Same here. We start in 3, 2, 1, and go. Breathe out as you come. 2, 3, we're going for 30 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, keep going. 10, exhale and come up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 3 more seconds to go. 1 more second to go. And relax. Cross your leg, sit up. This is the time where you can have a water break. Well done. This was your little 7-minute workout for the day. Alright, so now that we're done with the workout, it's time to stretch. One of my most favorite parts of all workouts is stretching. So I want you to bring your hands in front. I want you to sit into that left hip. My left is your right is my left. Okay, so sit into that left hip, then sit into the right hip. Again, sit into the left and then sit into the right. Okay, from here, taking your hands up, drop your body to the left side, so allowing that big tummy to open up. Again, drop to the other side to allow your tummy to stretch. Okay, from here, imagine you're going to push the wall in front of you. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Coming down, keeping your fingers on the floor. Again, sit into your right hip, then sit into your left hip, and let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly coming up. Slowly join your feet. Boom, boom. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Stretch it up, stretch it up, stretch it up. Exhale and coming down. Thank you very much for being a part of this workout. So for more workouts, join us on www.kuntoworld.com to see more of my workouts and to be more active, more happy, more excited, because it's great for your immunity. So be active, be nourished, and be connected.